Hey guys, we're going to look at interpreting quartiles, homework for Tuesday. Okay, so here we have the number of band members by high school in Orange County. The box plot suggests that about 50% of high schools in Orange County have more than what number of band members? Okay, so we're talking about the quartiles and the percentages here. So you need to remember that your box plot is divided up into 4 sections, right? And that each section contains 25% of your data. So it's a good idea to have this little diagram or one like it, like we did in the notes, nearby. Okay, so remember that this is the median here, or Q2, and this is Q1, and this is Q3. So if we want 50% to have more than a certain number, so more than 50%, we know that 25 plus 25 is 50, so more than 50 would be to the right. So what number would that be? That would be the median here. We're going to be more than. So more than the median. So what number is between 100 and 110? And that's going to be 105. Check. Now I know these can be a little bit confusing, but hopefully once you watch me do a couple, it'll make a little bit more sense. Okay, so think about the percentages here based on that diagram. Maybe my handwriting will get better for the next question. Okay, now this one is straight up about percentages. The answers are all the percentages. Do you see that? Okay, so it says here the 5-number summary for the number of touchdowns thrown by each quarterback, blah, blah, blah. That doesn't matter. These are our numbers: minimum, Q1, median, Q3, maximum. Okay? About what percent of quarterbacks threw more than 13? More than 13. Okay, so we're going to get our diagram back out because I know that can be confusing. Let's draw our diagram on top of the box we already have. So minimum is the bottom, right? Maximum is the top. And then this divides it into 25% here, 25% here, 25 and 25. So each one of these boxes is 25%. So more than 13. Where's 13? Here's your 13. More than is to the right, more than 13. So what percentage is this covering? It's just this one little box here, so that's just 25%. Okay, more than 13. So we want X to be bigger than 13. More than is to the right, 13 is right here. I know I covered it up a little bit, sorry about that. Okay. So it's just kind of a repeat of that. I hope that helps you out, and I'll see you next time. Do one more, or let's do 2 more. We'll finish it up. It says the box plot suggests that about 25% of gyms in Shanesville have more than what number of gym members? 25% of gyms in Shanesville have more than what number of gym members? So we just want a 25% block that's more than something. So that's going to be this last one over here. This is a 25% block. 25%. And that's going to be more than this number here. What number is that right there? Well, what's between 68 and 72? That's just going to be 70. So 25% of gyms in Shanesville have more than 70 members. Check. Yay, one more. The 5-number summary suggests that about 75% of salons in Janesville have fewer than how many stylists employed. So we want to be fewer than. So that's like less than. I'm going to go this way. We want to have 75% on that side. So what number is this going to be right here? If there's 75% on the left, that means there's going to be only 25% on the right. Yeah? So what number is this? Right, that's going to be our Q3, right? Because it's going to be 25%, 25%, 25% on the left, and then 25% on the right. So Q3 is 15, so we pick 15 as our answer. Boom. Again, I know these can be a little bit confusing, so I hope you guys are working on this early in the week. So if you have any questions, you could send them to me, email them to me in Outlook, or you can message me in Verge, and I'll be happy to help you. Okay? So good luck.